Oh my goodness gracious. Take a look at the CrossRoads Zinger 340BH. This is a 2023 brand spanking new. Special price, triple slide family unit. Take a look. One for the bunk room, one for the U-shaped dinette and the sofa, and another one up front for the king size bed. Let's go in. All right, just before we head out inside, take a look at the outside kitchen. There's a place there to mount a TV. We got outside speakers, outside shower. Hello. So the extreme weather package, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks. Check this out. You know what? Before we go back there, let's check out the master bedroom. On its own slide, king size bed. Got a dresser, two windows here on each side. Awesome spot there to mount another TV. Look at the size of this closet. And guess what, folks? You can put a washer and dryer in this. You can live in this thing. All right, out front, the cap. Huge, huge closet. Love it. Nice farm style door. That converts into a bed. The U-shaped dinette, that converts into a bed. Furrion 12-volt fridge. Furrion oven. 3-burner stove. High point microwave. We have dual stainless steel sinks. A residential style faucet. A fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Bluetooth speaker. And a great spot there for your TV. More storage. Bathroom, that is a ceramic toilet. Awesome. Kids, last but not least, look at this. All right, so you have an uncomfortable bunk here on the floor. We have a sofa directly across where you can put a TV. Third bunk here. Fourth bunk over here. We've got cable connections and power connections here. Storage on both sides. I like it. Folks, if you're looking for the ultimate family unit, lots of room for everyone. Come on over to 80 Commerce Street in Moncton, New Brunswick. See you soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.